Unlocking directions. Master, take the next turn in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common phrase you might encounter while navigating directions. Take the next turn. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's get into it, and by the end of this video, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Take the next turn is a directional phrase used to guide someone when they're moving towards a destination. It's especially common when giving driving or walking instructions. The word take in this context means to follow a particular path or direction. Next refers to the immediate opportunity to change direction, and turn indicates the action of moving off the current path onto a different one. Put together, the phrase directs someone to follow the upcoming opportunity to change their direction. 1. Take. This verb is used in many contexts, but here, it's about choosing or following a path. 2. Next. This adjective tells us that the action involves the very first opportunity coming up. 3. Turn. As a noun, it refers to a place where one can change direction, like at a street corner or junction. Understanding each component helps clarify that the phrase isn't just about the physical action of turning but also about decision-making and timing. This phrase is incredibly useful in various situations, from giving taxi drivers directions to helping a friend navigate a new city. Here are a few tips on its usage. Be clear and timely. Make sure to say it well before the turn comes up to give the driver or walker enough time to react. Pair with landmarks. Sometimes, saying, "take the next turn," might be confusing if there are multiple turns close to each other. In such cases, add a landmark for clarity, like, "take the next turn after the gas station." Don't use it for distant turns. If there are several turns before the one you're referring to, be more specific to avoid confusion. Avoid late instructions. Saying, "take the next turn," right at the turn can lead to missed turns and frustration. Take the next turn is more than just a phrase. It's an essential tool in the world of navigation and directions. Whether you're a driver, a pedestrian, or guiding someone, understanding and using this phrase correctly can make all the difference in reaching your destination smoothly. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage. Thank you for watching, and happy navigating. See you in the next video.